Every dream has a beginning. In the vast digital canvas of dreams, one company dared to turn your visions into reality. Toolsbots. Yes, Toolsbots. Make your dream to reality. It's not just about the code. It's about the dreams we weave into every pixel, every algorithm, and every strategy. Each line of code for your success. Yes. Yes. Quality is our currency. We measure success in smiles, in the success stories of our clients. In the world of Toolsbots, your dreams are not just projects. They are stories waiting to be told. Quality is not an act, it is a habit. Toolsbots, because quality is where dreams find life.